Many gardeners struggle with shady areas. Under trees, beside buildings, or along fences, grass and flowers often fail to grow. But shade doesn't have to mean bare soil or constant weeds. In this video, I'll show you 8 ground cover plants that thrive in shade and help create a lush, low-maintenance garden. Let's begin. Hostas are one of the most popular shade plants for a reason. They grow larger every year and require very little maintenance once established. Their bold leaves add texture and color, even in deep shade. Pachysandra is a classic evergreen ground cover for shade. It forms a dense mat that covers soil and suppresses weeds naturally. Once established, it needs very little care. Sweet woodruff spreads easily in shady areas. Its soft green foliage creates a clean, uniform ground cover under trees. It's perfect for low-maintenance woodland gardens. Vinca thrives in shade and partial shade. It spreads quickly and produces small blue or purple flowers. This plant is excellent for covering large shaded areas. Ajuga tolerates shade well and forms a dense carpet. Its colorful foliage adds interest even without flowers. It's also very effective at blocking weeds. Many fern varieties thrive in shade with minimal care. They add a soft, natural look to shaded gardens and woodland areas. Ferns are ideal for gardeners who want a natural, effortless style. Lamium is a fast-growing ground cover that performs well in shade. Its variegated leaves brighten dark areas and require little maintenance. Japanese spurge is another excellent evergreen option for shade. It spreads slowly but forms a thick, reliable ground cover over time. Shady areas can be some of the most beautiful parts of a garden when planted correctly. By choosing the right ground cover plants, you can turn difficult shaded spaces into lush, low-maintenance landscapes. Thanks for watching.